Wow.
Come on, you promised me full star.
Can we get him a shirt?
I like his smile.
What does this mean? I don't know if I trust her.
What for answers?
Okay. Does this guy ever be treated normal?
Is she asking him to bark?
Okay.
Yeah, I she's cool, but I don't know if I fully trust her.
Yeah, I thought so too.
I thought she would. Well, he's got a dog inside him.
He's not
Strangling.
he's part of it. I'm gonna think of it that way, otherwise I'll be lying.
He's dead.
He's gonna love that.
You're in her hair, so she's gonna pay for it. Yep. Thanks, Mama.
Has it been since he has like
She's
really
even giving
nice meal?
Now he's like, wait a minute.
She's trying to give a shirt. Oh yeah, it looks good. Her own way. She's a little bit messed up, if I'm being honest with you.
We just so fast when she's so cracked.
Oh my gosh, she's totally
November. So,
now you get to leave. Like never even had. Devil's dog.
Because you're so cute. You know.
Oh my god. Oh. Are you telling me that he passed out in
He's like,
oh my god.
Whoa!
Yeah, sure. She like this extremely.
I haven't had a proper meal.
makes sense.
I was about to say that it's a long story, but yeah, please.
I would just like.
So it's not even just that he replaced his whole heart. It was so cute that he sacrificed what he touched it is his heart now.
I love her.
He's a rare case.
That's why she said dog. It's so calming.
So she's got wicked eyes.
She's going to be meeting him again, probably like in his memories, like they're going to be talking.
Take it out.
Double sense. Smell it.
They're like, he's a combination of everything, right?
So what, he will not get to eat his food on a hot dog? Oh no, he's there.
Sorry.
Probably hasn't had a meal like this ever. Maybe when his dad was alive.
He's actually asking her for permission. I mean,
No.
that's what she wants. You don't
I need help. My arms don't work.
Oh my
I'm really shocked how this
He's taking advantage of the situation.
I've been taking like
She's gonna pin him.
Took them so long to actually get to know each other.
Stop it.
Seriously,
She into
where
a
are you
relationship
going
now? Is she being serious? Or is she
some kind of manipulation
Oh, he is.
What is he? I feel like this is very vulnerable to replace no one. That was not a declaration of love.
She's making
It was
kilos
trash.
That's right.
I think she's totally using him for this.
There's a whole headquarters,
Tokyo.
which is so
I watched Dora Hey Dodo.
that maybe this would be like an undercover type situation that isn't really spoken about, but it seems to be quite out in the open.
Can I work there? Please?
Job. They put themselves in.
Sounds amazing.
Which maybe like maybe it's bigger picture.
What are you thinking about something important and you're like, well,
Like a real
where are
picture,
you?
you know what I mean?
I know exactly what he's referring to.
Oh my god.
Best for him.
Put on this.
His number one goal is
priorities,
for, like,
though.
your girlfriend. That's it.
Even know how to play it.
We're meeting new characters.
So you see like a samurai Hanzai.
We can see how their relationship is going to be already from the first.
It's so direct. There's no playing around.
She knows what she's doing.
She's totally playing it. She's like actually so simple-minded. She's being so nice.
Are you lady?
I mean, who would say no to her?
I just wonder if there's going to be some like manipulation here.
Yeah.
You know, like it's enough for her to
I
take
can
him
feel
in and
it.
stuff.
He is so like infatuated with her for 3 years already. He knows that she is.
It's way too obvious that he's like, I don't care. Don't tell him, don't him.
This guy's
Why?
Maybe he's her boyfriend. Bro,
He kicked me, it's fine.
calm down.
I volunteer.
I volunteer. Jelly.
Just gotta stop. Quit the job. Damn.
What? What? He wants him to quit?
Yeah, why?
He has somebody to somewhere to go. Like,
Yeah, but it's awesome way of showing it.
Beautiful.
I mean, he's the freaking devil.
like he was hunting devils even before. That's good at it.
Okay.
Shit.
He doesn't even know the full story, but like he's trying to
Job different than the job he's doing.
You're judging him without.
I mean, he didn't have a choice.
She's on it.
But also, a lot of determination. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is
I mean, you should know that they're gonna
what you're made from.
that took him down fast.
You got a lot of energy.
He's being
So you're gonna leave all that life behind? Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it's You know what? Yeah, he's a
He's just so determined. Like,
Conchita's as well.
There's nothing fair anymore.
That's
Why did not travel?
I don't know.
Why would you think that they cannot work together?
They're the same. Like the glue.
What is it?
He's like, no way.
Yeah, they're we start together. Really hates experimental.
So basically, a Suicide Squad.
What exactly?
Half human, half dog.
Okay.
He's always surprises.
He's so proud of himself.
So that's very rare, as we know. Okay.
So he's the first this time.
Special.
What kind of special
So gonna miss his dad.
Did he look killed?
See? That's what I'm saying. Like if
He's just gonna
We can't talk about that.
You're here forever.
We're working together.
There's no leaving right now.
Living together.
Heroes for life.
Wow. That's what I'm saying. Like he doesn't have a choice.
Wow, it's like they're actually almost
It would be actually a fresh start for them.
I don't think she is a good person. She's very like smart.
She has to be really strong.
I'm still not sure if we can actually trust them. You know, there's great people too.
I don't know. This seems like the kind of world where
He respects her.
Okay. I thought she was a bit of a feminist.
this seems like the
She's
kind of
good
world
now.
How would you not
where
trust them?
Why are her eyes like that?
I'm sure she's great.
this is gonna be very
Daydreaming.
interesting.
Yeah, I know.
Like this one
Look at all this jam that he has.
Oh my god!
That's on his face.
This is all
Not doing that on purpose.
You don't often see people on the toilet anyway, right?
His hair down. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
A lot to take care of.
I'm surprised he.
I like living together, dynamic.
I'm fine.
This guy is.
Did they say what this guy's name was?
I'm done with Denji. I
This work
can't.
actually.
Even
I don't remember his name.
it's so interesting.
I always read it as friend.
Did he? No, he had to live his whole life trying to.
Is he just carrying an axe?
Oh, that's what happened.
Stay away from graveyards.
Wait, I gave a different definition for friends, but okay.
Characteristic heads.
Characteristics. Let me do this real quick.
What kind of head? I mean, rat.
He's gonna make a mess.
Hey, you guys are here as friends. It's not that okay.
Chainsaw it up. Crab claws he got?
It's kind of interesting how to control it.
Gets a little messy.
I mean, literally chainsaws emerge from his body. That's harsh.
He has a heart. I love it.
That's very kind of him.
That and
Listen to me.
Damn.
The fact that he has sympathy though.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it makes sense. Like he's so serious.
I do see Aki's perspective.
The moral dilemma.
Power, I can't wait to
Like they have such different perspectives, you know? Like
Yeah, I don't know if you should have told him that.
But that's a very interesting, like totally different point of view, and it's a very way to go about things.
After our death,
Very inside, like supposed to take down.
I'm really afraid of that thing just there.
oh my god,
Are you serious?
guys.
Are you kidding me?
Y'all know I get
The porn is secure. I don't hear words for him.
He's still, yeah.
Just gonna learn how to do things from the magazines.
His voice is so beautiful and the scream.
So is he really serious about
Gosh,
the friend thing?
wait until he discovers the power of internet.
Oh my god. Now I'm disgusted.
Simple
The freaking jams combining.
friends.
Maybe a purpose?
How about a friend?
Yeah.
You need a purpose.
A family.
You lost your friends.
The music is really
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'd like to know her.
You know.
Yeah, she has
Oh my gosh! That's going to be
He's so infatuated.
Now he can
That's my next book.
Here's maybe like
He's horny.
this boy really just wants to touch some boobs.
But he is serious about this.
Wow! Not what he meant.
I knew it. He never pays attention to anything she said. Okay, good reading.
I can't.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Here she is.
I think she would be in this episode.
She knows that she's coming.
She's a feature star.
No way.
How did they get her?
I think that's
I knew it.
Because she's like, okay.
you changed that so fast.
I am obsessed with her. She's so cool.
She's also, at least her name is easy to remember though. The music is so always on
do a good job then.
Gotta freaking keep up.
They would die.
Actually assembling for different types of people.
Let's wear a hat.
She looks very feisty. She seems very feisty.
She looks like a hand.
I don't know if this is the first time that they're actually thinking,
Human.
girl! Oh
my God.
Sorry.
No!
Don't have hat. Okay, thank goodness. Thank goodness.
Okay, I know that this is the first time that they're hanging out, but I'm kind of shipping them. Is that wrong?
That's cool. I'd love to have a party like this. Obviously, I don't want to be a house thief. Do I want to be house devil? Yeah, maybe not with chains. Like so that looks pretty.
Oh, really?
love her eyes.
Well, she has confidence.
So running away all of that. You feel like
I'm
good.
so intrigued.
I still like that too.
Yeah, where is her? I like how it like keeps getting closer. Is that true?
Or maybe he just wants to get rid of the problems.
Hey, crazy.
She's a very energetic.
I am already so impressed by the voice She could just manifest weapons.
Unbelievable. She's crazy.
She's so cool.